Hey, just gotta talk that whānau. How we doing? Holy heck of that. Just on a 360 of Doom. Hope everyone's doing well today, te whānau. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. Nei rā te mihi ki a koutou katoa. How is everyone doing? Dang, I need sniped straight away, man. How is everyone doing, chat? Oh, shucks. Berlin boy. Damn. Off the rip, man, I am not warm in this game, by the way. Oh, shucks. I gotta do my boasty. I have not warmed up. I'm like one kind of game in. It's rough, bruh. But game's still good, man. I'm got a bit of a love-hate. Might be. I don't know if love-hate is the best way to say it, but like, man, there's times when I want to play it, which is like, 8 PM at the earliest New Zealand time here in Aotearoa. But bro, I cannot find any games below the 300 ping mark, man. And it's kind of hard, man. It's kind of hard to play. Oh, M1 Grand. The M1 Grand any good shit? I know. Shotguns, ultra duty, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I am not a fan of the shotgun in this game. Let's go. Come on. Give me that car though. I'll take that any time of the day, bro. Alright. Trying to frag out. We ain't got green guns, so not the best start, nonetheless though. A start. I don't know if you're on around there, bro. But for the most part though, you just want to hold high ground. Basically what everyone does on here. You're getting sniped from. Oh, bro. No, I didn't even hear him go behind me. God damn. I died twice already? Didn't hear him drop shit. God damn. It is what it is, but yeah, man, I was just going back. I've got a bit of a love-hate relationship. Like, I can't play this game. Like, I'm only playing with 300 ping when I can, like, fully get on and jam, when the tamariki are gone to bed, I can have a bit of time to try and, like, record videos, make some content and whatnot. But other than that, if I can get on during the day, man, I can have a lot more fun on this game. But 2-3 games on 300 ping at the moment, I just, it just makes me not want to play it. So, good thing though, to counter that kind of wakaro there, is they are going to bring OCE servers because this game is going to be released on console as well. Now, I don't think there's any time frames on it at this time. I haven't looked too much into it, to be fair, but long story short, once it releases on console, I do believe that there will be OCE servers, which is going to be like sick. That's going to be the best ever. That's when this game's really going to pop for me, and hopefully for the Aussie, New Zealand communities that might want to give this game, especially on console. I think a lot of people will play it. Aha tu tera, having a lot of fun on this game. It's still real fun. The snipers go hard. Once you get your shot on, bit of movement, getting a lot more like map awareness on this as well. Like, it's just so much more fun. I haven't played anything outside of solos. Wait, actually, I've played a few games. What the hell is this thing, bro? Oh, you can't shoot through that, stupid. God damn. That's map wins right there. Trying to smoke him out. Yeah, the gold player too. Yeah, this fella got no player. He about to get pressed. 11 people left in the lobby. I'm trying to make more use of the grenades as well. Like, grenades are actually huge on this, especially if you're like medium to long range. or your high-low ground type situation. Like, if you tap them out, like, at least 75 off their shield and whatnot, and they trying to, like, go cover and replay, man, wham. Throw a nade there, and, like, man, you win those 9 times out of 10. He did. He's outside of the circle. Yep. That's his first kill, though. Damn, this guy right here, he got 7 of them. But yeah, such a good game. Shout out to the devs for putting on such an enjoyable game. This guy's just sniping his life, bro. And that's the thing, right? Like, once you're making noise on like these type of positions, you want to try and get that kill ASAP. Otherwise, you know, you're attracting people to you straight away too. And you know, most times, if they're not looking at you, they're definitely trying to, you know, use that grapple gun and get up on that ass. Like, I'm surprised no one's even shooting. Oh, there we go. That's another play, man. That's environment awareness right there. These barrels on the map too, and you can shoot those and they blow up just like a nade. So, once you start playing this game, if you haven't yet, just know. See, what? Did I die twice already, chat? How come I didn't get no respawn, bro? Well, do you gotta earn that off the rip? I thought you just get 1 free on that. You gotta reposition anyway. Storm coming in. But sir, that guy right there, that's the guy to look out for. 4 people left. This guy's, he ain't got the best loot. Ooh, we don't get caught. Oh, we got the grade. I'm gonna see some people do some work. That was 3 shots right there. Oh my gun, bro. Yes sir, yes sir. Here we go. You got the gold AK. You got a car tool. Yeah, he's seen him. Oh no, it could be over. Oh, Waka. You got the Waka. Oh, that was a bad play, bro. There's no way. Those got this so easy. What level are they? These guys are like level 100s, bro. These being people like been playing this game too, so. Yeah, he's gonna wait for the last circle. He's gonna wait for him to drop down. His loot done fell to the ground. He's got three nade skis though. They both have no idea where they are. Oh yeah, there we go. Uh-oh, it's about to go down. GG, sir. And that's it, man. That's how this game goes. Alright, second game in, I got wiped twice early. So we're gonna try and go again. We're gonna let's go to shipment, bro. It's gonna be something good here. Also, man, I've got like an addiction, chat. Oh no, bro. Shit. I've got an addiction to niigiri. Like, that shit right there, bro, that shit just slaps for real. No niigiri, bro. Like, whenever Mrs. like, should we get takeaways or something like that? She's like Meccas or something? Like, that's what I'm thinking. I'm like, oh. She might want some Meccas or something, and I'm like, bruh, I'm down for some niigiri. Ah, bro. It's crazy. I didn't know the spot was hot, bro. Let's get that one on. Let's get out of here, bro. It's hot. Alright, we got one. Vending machine type vibe in there too. But yeah, I don't know, smoked salmon on a block of sushi rice, bro. I don't know what it is, bro. That's just what I'd rather have. What? Bro. That was the slowest mark ever. What? What? What was that? You shoot mid-air and he was hitting. Waka. God damn, bro. It's not looking good, chat. Oh no. You trade there? Aye, bro. I get it. Alright, let's hope we do well on this one right here. To whānau. Map 3 for the day. I'll go for this first, straight away, why not? Okay. This one's not bad. This one's not bad at all. I don't know how to use it, if I'm being honest. Alright, if I can get this in an AK, bruh. Happy days. Happy days. Get this in a gold AK. That'd be crazy. I just want the car, eh? Like, I was just so satisfied, chat. Alright, let's go. Come on, let's get some shield up. The heals. And 3 tags. Nice. I think we're good. 27. This was full lobby, 29 real players. I must say though, the experience when you're playing, like first experience, like they get that casual vibe, casual mode to this game. But the experience against playing bots and that, like obviously, you know, you get a bit of experience in terms of, you know, just learning the games, getting the mechanics down and whatnot. But like, it's much more satisfying. And a much better experience in my opinion when you're playing against real players. It's so much more fun. Land on that bitch. These holes in the... These things, bro? They actually... Wait, let me see if I can find... I think it's on this side. There's another hole. There's different levels in that crack in the hole, you know what I mean? Like... What my AK, bro? Oh yes, that's good. That on. Oh shit, I can't go that way. Okay, get a scope. Do have this thing. Potions are godlike. Thing is lit though. Yeah, these things in here are multi-level. No way he wins that, bro. There's no way. But I didn't know that, and I was in the last circle once, and I could hear them, but I thought they were outside. I didn't realize they were on, like, different level. Red dot. Okay, we got 15 tags. Let's try and get this. Where do you want to go? Ah, just stay with the car. You got this. Spin here. People. I think I heard him from here. Oh, you oh, fuck. Done here. You. GG! Unlucky. Much better game though. Wait. Damn. Shot banged. 6. And it's kind of second to last circle too. Square in this case. I had like 2-3 people looking at me, man. That gold, this gun right here, I forget what it's called, MP40, MP something, the submachine gun. The gold one's actually legit. I think the last fight that I had up there, I think if it wasn't gold, I would have lost. This guy got the best angle on me, bro. Got 7 kills as well. Oh, he's going no scope. He's oh, he only had blue guns as well. Is bro still in that cosmos? Oh, yeah, he is. But that's gonna be it for the video today. Te wānau nei rā te mihi ka koutou mo te mātakitaki mai mo te tautoko. Thank you so much for watching the videos. We'll see you guys on the next one. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Mauri ora.